Hey guys, let's talk about college accreditation. So this is a very important topic. I always advise the Marines that I'm talking to, do not go to a school unless it's regionally accredited. That's the first thing you should check. Is it regionally accredited? Yes, then you can move on. And we'll talk about more of that in the choosing a school and major video. But for right now, I'm going to focus on the accreditation part. So you might hear national accreditation, regional accreditation, regionally accredited, nationally accredited. Nationally accredited sounds better, but it's not. So regional accreditation is the gold standard. That's what you're looking for. If in the future you're applying for a master's degree, it's probably going to require a regionally accredited bachelor's degree to even qualify to apply. So keep that in mind. So according to the U.S. Department of Education, more than 85% of all colleges in the U.S. are regionally accredited. So that shows you most are, so just stay in that realm. It's the most widely recognized type of college accreditation. Credits and degrees are widely accepted in transfer. So if you go to a school and you do a lot of general education classes or whatever, you do a lot of college classes, and then you decide to transfer schools later, they're going to want those to be regionally accredited, those credits to be from a regionally accredited school, or they're probably not going to take them or give you a hard time about taking them. Okay, so how do you know if a school is regionally accredited? So there's usually an accreditation page. So if you Google the school and then accreditation, it's going to usually go to that page. Now what it says on that page, it'll list the accrediting body. So it'll say we are accredited by the whatever the accrediting body is. So that's the term you need to be familiar with. I'm going to show you if you go to Google and you put in regional accreditation bodies, it's going to bring up right here a list. So if you go to this list, Higher Learning Commission, Middle States Commission on Higher Education, New England Association of Schools and Colleges, Southern Association of Colleges and Schools, and Senior College and University Commission. So these are the 6 regionally accrediting bodies. So you can always just Google this, check it against what your school is accredited by, and you'll know if they're regionally accredited. So once again, don't go to a school that's not regionally accredited. And that's pretty much all you need to remember. Aside from that, you're going to be okay when it comes to accreditation, general accreditation. There are some more specific accreditations when it comes to business schools, engineering, things like that. But we won't get into that today. So thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.